This is the day I decide what happens to my engines. Morning. Well, today we're gonna find out what my plan is with that wonky engine of mine. I have a couple of options. One is replace them both. Two is replace one. Three is a complete rebuild, and if I do that I have to do both engines. Or C, right, option C. Morning. Well, option C is what you guys suggested. I need to go more in depth. One of you suggested I disconnect the drivetrain, so the gearbox and the shaft. I don't think I can fit in there. I mean, the gearbox is down there somewhere. Right, this is gonna be interesting. So, luckily for me, I have another hatch down there. Yup. Yeah, let me show you what I'm up against. Oh. So here we are in the belly of the beast. That's the port side engine, and there is the starboard side engine that is seized. And then I have to undo those bolts, or the entire gearbox. I don't know, but I do know. Oh, sorry. I do know. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, let me get out of here. Yikes. Ooh, the birth of a human from a boat. The other problem that I have is I need to get a sort of fix for that engine. Or replacement or whatever. I have to do something. That means I have to go somewhere with this boat, and that means I need an engine. So I'm not really comfortable poking around in my one that engine to see if it works. Now I'm just gonna leave it and leave it up to the professionals. Me being a really good mechanic, nope, I'm afraid to do that. So I made some phone calls. Oh, and I didn't even address the elephant in the room here. The biggie. And the big issue, the problem, the main one for me is trust. Portside engine overheated on my first trip over here from Friesland to Amsterdam. That's the province of Friesland. That one overheated. This one is stuck. So I cannot trust these engines anymore. The hour gauge has been broken. It quit. It doesn't do anything anymore. It's stuck on 6,500 and something hours. For how long that gauge is broken, I don't know. So I don't know exactly how many hours these engines have run. So I think you know where I'm getting at, don't you? I've only had this boat for 4 months, and I'm already facing a big challenge. I can handle it, but it's not always easy. I was talking to a friend of mine about all of this, and he said, well, maybe people want to be a part of this. So I created a GoFundMe page. The link is below this video. Yep, you guessed right. New engines it will be. And here's the next problem. Which engines do I take? How do I know? Oh, there's so many out there. Volvo Penta, Beta Marine, Yanmar, Mitsubishi, Perkins, Caterpillar. That's all I need. More choice. Holy cow. Well, there's where you come in, guys. Which one do you prefer? And please tell me in the comments and tell me why. So I just sit here, scour the internet, looking for solutions, forums. Yeah, basically any information that can help me make the right choice here. Tomorrow I'm going to Sliedrecht. Tomorrow morning. I've rented a car and it's near Rotterdam, so that will take me about 90 minutes to get there. And I will talk to a guy from Drinkwaard Marine. That's a highly recommended marine service for everything, electrics, engines, you name it, everything that has something to do with a boat, they can do it. So that's really good. I talked to some other relatable companies here in Amsterdam, but the thing is they don't have the time to do it, and they specialize in the big issues and the big boats, and I'm not. Right. So I have an appointment with Leo tomorrow from Drinkwaard Marine, and hopefully he can help me make the right choice here. I'm not gonna make a decision just yet tomorrow, for sure. I mean, I want your input on this as well. I mean, you helped me out before in my latest video about this engine and what I should do about it and could do about it. So your input is really important to me. So please keep them coming. But I'm gonna talk to this guy tomorrow, and yeah, let's see what's what. But yeah, there needs to be a solution here pretty quick. There is something I do know, and that it's going to be hellishly expensive. For sure. So that means my plans for a boiler, full new electrical system, that's on hold, guys. I can't afford both. That's too much. But it does mean I have to clean up my boat before I'm going somewhere, because I still don't know which engine I will choose and which shipyard I will go to. But that will become more clear in the next video, for sure. Yeah, I owe myself that. I mean, a boat without an engine is not a boat. And I have some plans for the future with this boat, with my life, and with this YouTube channel. So yeah, I need to go and move on with this. So like I said, tomorrow I have that appointment. And yeah, I will hopefully get valuable information from you guys about which kind of engine I should take. Like I said before, I have a quote for two engines, including taking out the old ones and installing the new ones, for 25,000 euros. So that's basically my budget. And that's what the reason I can't afford to get my shower up and running. But that's for later. Yeah, let's get this engine fixed, shall we? So, as I'm preparing my dinner, I would like to thank you all for your comments, guys. That's really appreciated. It helps me out a lot. Thanks, and I hope to see you the next time. Take care. Bye.